नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Today I am going to take a lecture on the module Technique Problems related to Maintenance. This module is a part of the course Operation Research in the program of BBA and BBA LLB 6th semester under the Faculty of Law and Governance. So first we see the definition of maintenance problem. What are the maintenance problems? So maintenance problems solving is primarily concerned with the four areas: maintaining critical systems, fixing the problem quickly and faster than the last time, determining what is causing the breakdown to happen so frequently, and identifying the 20% of breakdowns that are consuming 80% of your resources. Problems versus difficulties. A problem is a situation that can be characterized by a gap between your existing circumstances and where you do or do not want to be. The gap cannot be eliminated or maintained through obvious methods. Some analysis and creativity are required to define a situation as a problem. Visualizing a problem as a gap can be useful technique. Usually you want to overcome this gap, but sometimes you wish to maintain it. An example would be painting an object to prevent deterioration. If you can see a solution and all it takes a good planning, then the situation confirming you should be termed as a difficulty rather than a problem. Of course, if you are experiencing many of these difficulties, there may be a common root cause that could define a problem. So now we take where maintenance issues originate. So issues are caused by your goals or a lack of them. You may have an overall goal of wanting your plant to run efficiently with few interruptions, but unless you translate that general goal into viable sub goals, you will experience problems. Establishing specific sub goals is essential if you wish to control the magnitude and the number of the inevitable problems. Otherwise, having the no goals or only the general ones will magnify those problems. Often a disturbance problems will face you to ask what unrecognized goal do I have that is being thwarted by this situation. Asking this question may cause you to reassess the goal. Now, four types of maintenance problems. The four common types of maintenance problems can be categorized as identification. First, second is cause effect. Third is means and ends. Third is means and fourth is ends. Let us discuss each of these in turn. First, the maintenance problem is identification. When a problem occurs, you need to identify where and when it happened, as well as where and when it did not. Identification problems become relevant not only when trying to understand a situation, but also when confusion reigns and the problem is hidden by a mass of effects. Second is cause and effect. To properly solve cause and effect problems, you must first learn how to distinguish between cause and effect. So second kind of problem, maintenance problem, is cause and effect, and to properly solve cause and effect problems, we must first learn how to distinguish between cause and effect. Effects are things you perceive with your senses of or detect through condition monitoring techniques. They accompany or precede machine failure. Means problems are generally characterized by questions beginning with flow, beginning with how, such as how can I accomplish that, or how can I improve that. They leave the choice of means open-ended. With a mean problem, you are trying to decide how to achieve a goal. The problem of selecting a goal or end has already been solved, so you are now focusing on how to achieve it. The next fourth or the last the problem of maintenance is here. Problems of ends or the goals can be characterized by the question, what goal should I pursue? As mentioned previously, your goal may be very general at first, but must be translated into detailed sub-goals to truly matter. Some common computer maintenance problems. When we talk about computer maintenance, we mean a series of actions carried out on computer equipment, both for software and hardware, in order to achieve optimum performance. When carrying out computer maintenance tasks, the aim is to reduce the amount of problems. However, for various reasons, it is possible that some of them may appear. The hard drive is full, like that is the next problem, or that is the second problem here. With the use of your computer and depending on the activity you do with it, it is likely that you will begin to accumulate more and more content, software, file storage, etc. And if you do not have proper control over the use of your hard drive, it will also be likely that there will come a time when it will be full. So storage will be full. In that case, having a hard disk in such conditions can cause a number of problems, such as slowing down your computer or making it impossible to continue saving data. So such problem arises when the hard drive becomes full. Sometimes of great importance, for example, backups. To avoid these types of situations, good computer maintenance will again be of great importance. Next is the computer gets too hot. Again, it is our next problem we face here in the system of computer. So when it becomes too hot, then it is a problem. So it's quite a classic problem. You put your laptop on your knees, a very bad practice by the way, and right after you start to find a smell like a grilled meal, and it hurts. There are many reasons why equipment can become overheated, including the aging of its components or more specific failures, such as problems with the internal cooling system, especially with fans. Overheating can in turn cause multiple damage to the equipment and even cause the equipment to shut down as a protective measure. So be careful and try to keep it from reaching critical temperatures. Remember, this is not a grill. So today we have seen the problems of or the maintenance problems in different computer systems and the maintenance problems. Four kind of problems we have discussed, and where maintenance issue originate, and the four types of maintenance problem we have seen in today's lecture, like identification, cause and effective, and means, and the problem of ends. So with this here, this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts and problems. So with this, I conclude my today's lecture. Thank you.